Hey guys, and it is still day 2 at Hemus 26. This is the last interview of the day that I'm actually managing to do before my voice breaks, and I have my brother from another mother, Lyudmil, with me. He runs a company called SIX81Tactical in Sofia. They're a pretty small firm, but I tell you what, they're doing things very, very differently. Lyudmil,
hey.
Awesome to see you again, bro.
Yeah.
Tell me what you're up to, please.
Well, basically, as you said, we're not that big company yet, but we are planning to be, and we're working really, really hard to do it. So basically what we have here, we have our friend Dimitar.
Dimitar?
Yeah, that's his name.
Oh, okay.
He's very, very quiet dude, but what we're doing is actually we designing and prototyping some gear for the military. This is all made for the Bulgarian army. As a Bulgarian, I thought that's going to be the first thing that we have to do. So basically, what we do, we have some pouches here for pistol mags, for AKs mags. We have also as well for the M4. We have some pouches. Those is integrated with ballistic. Yeah, those are dummies, so don't worry, they're not going to explode yet, but they may. This link, for instance, our Bulgarian navies, they asked me if I can develop something for them, so the rifle to be next to their body by when they
transition.
Not only when they transition, when they're going from the chopper on the fast roll. So they asked me if I can do something. So that's the product. So something simple but effective.
Okay, so for the British audience, you will understand this to be alliness, okay? Alliness being the British military term for anything that's sexy, Gucci and good. This is what people want, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Alliness saves lives.
Yes.
So, this is fantastic. So basically, you are able to do small-scale manufacturing, but then scale up to massive production.
I can do that. I can do that. It's just because we as a company, it's already like nearly 4 years we're doing that. We have a lot of friends which are trying to help us, and they have big facilities with a lot of people who are working on sewing machines, and then it's very easy. Even the British government, if they comes and said, hey, we need 10, 20, 30,000 pants, I said, hey, you can have it, not a problem.
I mean, this is one thing that a lot of the world, or even the rest of Europe, doesn't understand about Bulgaria. There has been a very, very long history of high quality textile productions in this country. And I'm talking about brands you've heard of. British brands like Barber have been manufactured here recently. So don't underestimate the value or the quality of the Bulgarian craftsmanship when it comes to this stuff. I'm speaking for experience. I've been here 20 years, and the local products that you can buy are half the price and twice the quality of most things you're going to find in other parts of the world. So if you are looking to scale up, if you are looking to R&D, test and evaluate, this is the man you need to be speaking to, and this is the place you need to be speaking to him about it.
Yep. This is indeed an airsoft rifle, but it's for law enforcement training system. It's basically, that's the best you can buy in the airsoft world. And it's made by the a Bulgarian company called Airsoft Systems. And they have quite a very good run about it. Even British guy who is one of the haters of airsoft, he got one. He loved it, and I know from the owner that he ordered another one just to have it because he likes it so much. This rifle is actually start going towards Japan, where Japan is actually the country where airsoft being developed. So we can say that is the gem in the airsoft world. This is how I know it.
So Bulgarian yogurt and airsoft rifles are the new biggest exports from Bulgaria to Japan.
Yes.
Every day's a school day, okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And obviously it comes with the whole blue uppers and everything like that for law enforcement and training purposes, for force on force, so that nobody gets freaked out that people are pointing live weapons at each other. Really innovative. And this is going to go from technology through to something a little bit more basic, but I've just spotted something on your stand, which I think almost everybody's talked to me about today. Slings. I've spoken to so many guys in the different agencies and the different units here from, I'm not going to name the units, but some of the most well-known units in Bulgaria, they're all saying the same things to us. We can't get quality slings for our AKs or the other rifles that they're using.
They can.
Aha!
They just they're not familiar yet. So basically, this is a sling which it's been used from many countries in the States, even in UK they have it. I have a lot of clients from UK who is actually buying. But what is innovated here, it's the cambacle.
Okay.
It's coming with a military grade paint. It's ceramic coated, so it's not gonna peel off.
So this allows you to quickly adjust the length of the sling, depending on what you're doing.
What is actually, I have this link with our special forces for nearly 4 years since I start. Last month, the guy sent it back to me, and he said, "Lyudmil, I think your sling is the best I ever had." The sling for 4 years been used every day for jumping from planes. He's been on a kind of few missions, more than 5-10 I believe for those years, and he said, I said, "Okay, what is the problem?" He said, "That's the problem. There is not a problem, because the sling is, it's a peeled, but everything stays the way it is." I said, "Listen, send it back to me and I'll send you brand new, just to have it in my store as a souvenir." Because I know that when I saw it, and when I make the sling, my idea behind my company is the motto so we can make something that is premium quality on a normal price for a long year of usage. This is the same is with the gear, the same is with the belts.
Well, the other thing that we haven't really talked about is everything you've shown us so far is in Flectron. Now we have some other kind of multicam. Now we have multicam black or multicam tropic. So you actually have access to all of the materials, even the quality buckles. Cobra, which everybody loves, with a rescue. Don't hang off helicopters with this, guys. You're not going to do that, honestly. Okay, the Cobra buckle. So you've got all the components you need to basically build whatever is needed.
Absolutely. I work with all the companies only from the straight from the source, straight from the manufacturer. This is coming from the States. Someone buying it from UK, someone from Germany, these are bought straight from the manufacturer for the Bulgarian camouflage.
Yep.
It's just because pricely, in order a product to be cheaper, I have to go to the source.
Of course.
So and we don't work with Chinese brands products unless it's something which is metal and there is no another way to find it. But everything, even the thread here is with IR. Even the buckles are Italian brand with IR, because for us the importance is the military gear to reach the certain NATO standard levels.
Of course.
Otherwise, we'll be out of the business.
So, quality, innovation, and also, more importantly, supporting the Bulgarian economy. It's been fascinating talking to you, mate. I wish you all the best, and I hope we can support you in the future. And thank you for all the help you've given us over the last couple of years, okay? Really appreciate it, man.